Good evening all. Good evening all. You're welcome to the tutorials from Eternity Schoolboy. Today we take a look at English review assignments 7. Question 1 says, this is the man dash told me the story. A, whom I said. B, who I said. C, I said that he. D, who I said he. And that was the answer. C, B says what? Who I said. This is the man who I said told me the story. Any contrary answer? Any contrary answer? Okay. The answer is what? B. This is the man who I said. Is not whom I said. Is who I said. It's complementing the what? The subject. The man. Talks about the man. So it should be a what? Who? Subject. Alright. B. Bola dash won the beauty contest. Is my sister. A. Which. B. That. D. Who. C. Who. D. Whom. Kamsi. Who. Bola who won the beauty contest is my sister. It's still talking about what? Bola, the subject. Okay? So whatever is talking about the subject should also be what? In subject form. Okay? Had it been this Bola is an objective case, that's when the whom will now do what? Be the answer. Okay? Because whom is objective. Alright. 3. Benin dash is reputed to be a historical city. Benin dash is reputed to be a historical city. Is the capital of Edo State. A. What. B. Where. C. That. D. Which. Success. Sit well. That not how to ask in class. What's the answer? That. Benin that is reputed to be a hotel. Is it true? Any contrary answer? If I ask any contrary answer, if you keep quiet, it means that you agree with what she said. That's the meaning. Does anyone have any contrary answer? I say it. Which. Benin, which is reputed to be a what? Historical city, is the capital of what? Edo State. Is the capital of what? Edo State. Which. Not that. Is not demonstrative. Okay? Number 4. The teacher asks, dash will have the courage to try and lift that heavy log. A. Whom. B. Which. C. Who. That's a mistake in the options. Please change it. That C should be who, but I wrote that there. Please, that C should be who. Please. Then D should be whomever. Whomever. D is whomever. Please correct it. I noticed it when I was just today when I was going through this, and then I noticed it. So the teacher asked dash will ask the teacher ask, dash will have the courage to try and lift the heavy log. What's the answer? Michael. A is what? Whom. The teacher asked. You know this is a reported. This is how the teacher said it. Am I communicating? This is how the person is just reporting how exactly quoted the teacher, the words of the teacher. It's not a paraphrase. He quoted the teacher. That's why you see the signs there. Can you see the signs there? So the teacher asked, who? Maybe you guess, who will have the courage to answer this question? On getting to her hostel, she reported what I say. Our tutorial, our master tutorial ask, who have the courage to do what? Is it clear now? You should what? Who? Yes. Okay. You should. That whom is wrong. No matter how. Even if there is no that thing. Even if I put wrong options, just leave it. There's no answer there. Don't pick whom because there is no whom is wrong. Okay. There's no. This. If I don't know, I would have even mentioned this. Let me even know whether you people will detect if that thing is correct. But it's okay. Number 5 says, the house that he lives is spacious. The house that he lives is spacious. A, that. B, where. C, which. D, to which. Adobe. Which. Any contrary answer? Any contrary answer? Just raise your hand. Let me know. No, we are not trying here. It's not that. Where? It's where. It's a place. We are talking about a place. Is where. Okay? The house where he lives is spacious. Number 6. At 18, Bosse is dash to take good care of herself. A, enough old. B, too old. C, older enough. D, old enough. This one is simple now. What's the answer? Old what? Enough. If we say the option said, the other option said, will you help you to even pick the correct one? Two of us, they didn't twist the other option very well. Alright, number 7 says, I find it dash comfortable to travel by air than by road. A, quite very much. B, much more. C, quite much. D, very much. What's the answer? No, it's one. You give me one answer. So is doing tomato here since. Is that how you do your own? Any issues? In fact, so which answer did you pick? Very much. Michael. Much. You are comparing. You are what? You are comparing. Okay? You are comparing traveling by air with what? Traveling by what? Road. Am I correct? So it's much more. Okay? Number 8 says, here comes, okay, he comes here dash often. He comes here dash often. A, much. B, ever. C, quite. D, rarely. Michael. He comes here quite often. Quite often. Correct. Number 9. Dash you wish to do it properly. Dash you wish to do it properly. A, however. B, whoever, C, whatever, D, whatever. What type of option are this one? This one. They don't put nonsense options. Even by useless options, you know the answer safe. Now this will not try. This is not how to set exam. But it's okay. What's the answer? Adobe. Whatever you wish to do it what? Properly. Number 3. The students refused to appear before the dash panel set up to look into their demands. A, 5 months. B, 5 man. C, 5 men. D, 5 men. You can see. B, 5 man. Please, anytime you see a word like this, when you have 2 words like that joined together, please, just as you say, maintain words singular, okay? Something like this. A three words. Solid. Okay, a 3-story building. Okay, let me use something like I'm confusing. A 3 days program. A 3 days program. And a 3-day. Which is correct? A 3-day, not a 3 days, okay? Not a 3 days. It's a 3-day. If you don't want to apply this, just simply say 3 days. 3 days what? Program and rest. Don't start this time. Put what? 3 days. It's a 3-day. So this one now is a 5-man committee. A 5-man committee. Am I communicating? It's not a 5-man committee. 5-man committee. The answer is what? B. Any question? Any question? All right, in the absence of If you have any question, I think we should stop here. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you. See you tomorrow.